Here we have a Range Rover Sport, and what we've installed is a Viper 211HV remote central locking kit. Now this is an early Range Rover, and what's happened is that the actual factory remote central locking no longer works, so he has got a remote central locking key for it, but it doesn't work. And it cost an arm and a leg to get that sorted out by Land Rover, so the customer just wanted to find a cheap alternative that actually works. All he wants to do is have the doors to lock. So we can offer a remote central locking kit. It's a brand that's called Viper. It's part of the Clifford family. So in America, Viper's more well known than over here, but Clifford is more well known over here than it is in America. So we don't go for like a cheap central locking kit. You can buy loads of kits like on Amazon and eBay, and the price really do vary on those. And you can get some that's really, really cheap. But we only stick with one brand when it comes to this remote central locking kit, and that's the Viper, because it's a quality product and it's reliable. This is the remote for it. And there's a really nice quality remote, feels nice, and it feels quality. So, in essence, all it's doing is locking and unlocking the doors remotely. That's all it's doing. So basically, all you do is push the lock once, and it locks your doors. Push the unlock, and he unlocks the doors. And that's it. So it's no alarm system, no other activation, purely just to lock and unlock the doors remotely. So you don't have to use the key to actually physically lock it and unlock it. Convenience more than anything else. So if you have an issue with your central locking system, there's a possibility that we could fit one of these kits into it to give you the remote central locking, or if you haven't got remote central locking, then this will give you the remote central locking. Or if you've got no central locking at all, we could basically put this kit in with motors in your doors to give you remote central locking. And that does depend on vehicles, so just give us a call and we'll be able to advise you appropriately regarding that. So there you have it. This is a Range Rover Sport, and we've fitted the Viper 211HV remote central locking kit.